Let's dive into the fast-paced, fun-filled world of Costco Guys editing. Ever seen those videos that perfectly capture the enthusiastic, sometimes over-the-top, vibe of exploring Costco's latest finds? That's the Costco Guys edit in action. It's not just about showing products. It's about creating an experience, and it all comes down to a few key techniques. First up, the pace. We're talking dynamic pacing. Think rapid-fire cuts when showcasing a haul of goodies, then a slightly slower, more appreciative pace when highlighting a particularly impressive deal or item. This keeps the viewer hooked and mimics the excitement of discovery. Next, strategic sound design. This is where the humor really shines. Exaggerated sound effects when someone spots a great deal, funny stingers for unexpected moments, and upbeat, driving background music are crucial. It's about enhancing the visual storytelling and adding personality. We also leverage vibrant visuals and clear overlays. High-quality footage that's it is a must. But the Costco Guys edit often cranks up the saturation just a touch to make those vibrant Costco colors pop even more clean. Easy-to-read text overlays are essential for highlighting prices, brands, and key features. For that signature Costco Guys energy, don't shy away from creative transitions and effects. Quick zooms, subtle whip pans, and even a dash of playful animation can really elevate the content. It's about adding a touch of personality and making each frame engaging. So, to nail the Costco Guys edit, focus on that energetic pace, inject some fun with sound design, make your visuals pop with color and clear text, and don't be afraid to get a little creative with your editing tricks. Happy editing!